Imagine biting into a fresh, juicy, sweet strawberry anytime you want. It's ideal, isn't it? Strawberries are one of those fruits that just scream summer. Please your taste buds while making the most of your tiny yard and garden space. Try one of these vertical DIY ideas for growing strawberries. 1. Vertical strawberry tube planter. Ordinary PVC pipes can be used for growing tons of strawberry plants in a small space. When you lack an appropriate garden space or yard, a vertical gardening idea like this can be tried. All you need for this DIY idea is a few PVC pipes, a drilling machine, and of course some gardening essentials. Once you've drilled the holes, wrap the PVC pipe with plastic film or anything similar from the outside so that the soil won't come out from the drilled holes. You may want to bury the base of the pipe in the ground or any large container. Fill the tube with potting mix and wet it. Wetting it will set the soil nicely. At this point, you may remove the plastic wrap and add the seedlings. Just keep in mind that vertical units require careful watering, so the last thing you would want is for them to dry out. 2. Strawberry pallet planter. A strawberry pallet planter is a clever idea to grow plants like strawberries that spread through runners. It also improves the productivity of this fruit. Pallets are cheap and sturdy. You can use them to create a raised bed-like structure. Fill in some potting mix in the pallet and add the seedlings. Place the pallet against the fence or anywhere in your yard where you get enough sunshine. 3. Strawberry gutter garden. Growing strawberries in gutters is the best way to use your vertical space smartly. Strawberries are super easy fruits to grow in gutters. It also saves them from diseases like crown rot and fruit rot. Choose a less windy spot that remains sunny at all times. Use strings to tie these pipes under each other over a hanger. Alternatively, you can use whatever is available for you to hang and tie these pipes. 4. Stepped strawberry ladder. Not only the strawberries, but you can also grow vegetables and herbs following this smart idea. You will need some help with the assembly process though, as this is one of those DIY ideas for growing strawberries that need considerable effort. Once the structure is complete, fill the planter boxes with the correct potting soil, seedlings, and then watch them grow. 5. Vertical pyramid planter. A strawberry tower planter gives you the additional planting and growing space you need to showcase your love for this much-loved fruit. It's an unusual and functional DIY garden project you can try. This DIY garden tower planter will give you the extra gardening and planting space you need. 6. Hanging basket. Growing strawberries in hanging baskets is possible and easy enough. An average-sized basket can fit a few strawberry plants, so all you have to do is fill it up with the right rich potting soil and water regularly.